In this video, we're going to talk about Microsoft. They just reported their earnings, and the stock is selling off after predicting slower growth in its Azure cloud business. Now, despite significant investments they've made in AI, they expressed capacity concerns. In addition to slower growth projections for Azure, which is a key revenue driver for the company, raised concerns about the company's ability to maintain its market position in the cloud computing sector. Now, this is the monthly chart, and you got to give it to Microsoft. They are one of the OG tech companies out there, which has remained relevant thanks to ChatGPT. So this is the closest level of interest relative to current price at $411. And this level was formed from this rallying price, this one basing candle, and then the rally out. Price attempted to come back down to that level, at least the upper portion. And both times price has reacted. One can say you have the makings of a head and shoulder pattern, but that's somewhat pushing it. Now, as you can see, this is the 13 simple monthly moving average, and price has respected this moving average since March of 2023. And in recent price action, price has breached but didn't close below it. Now price is testing that level once again. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, again, all this sideways price action kind of just sets up the, depending what type of trader you are, resistance support traders, supply and demand traders, etc., etc. You did have a false breakout to the upside. You had a couple of false breakouts to the downside as well. And so this level also becomes a bear trap, meaning if you get closer below it, you're going to have the resistance support traders taking it short, only to be met with the buyers at $370. Now we're going to scroll down to the daily chart. It's a lot of sideways price action. But again, this is a big monthly level. My eyes gravitates to this little incy-wincy zone. And we're going to call that a daily buy level. Rallying price, basing candles rally out. Price comes back, nearly comes back, pushes out. So as I mentioned in my previous video, when you have a level on level, in this case the uptrend, it's better to go long at the lower level. And the rationale is, as prices come down to that first level, you're going to have some of the buyers eat up some of the sellers. And so by the time prices penetrate the lower level, there's less sellers to compete with buyers, meaning there's a bigger imbalance between buyers and sellers at the lower level relative to the high level. So there's no trade setup at the moment for Microsoft. For those who are in or want to get in, should welcome the sell-off. It's an opportunity to dollar cost average or to get in at a cheaper price. Let me know what you think. Are you holding? Are you selling? Are you buying Microsoft? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.